Penny Lee and Her TV by Glenn McCoy, retold by Chan Mi in room 205. Penny Lee loved her TV. Penny loved all the TV shows. She watched TV all day long. Penny Lee did not have any friends. The TV was her friend. Penny Lee had a dog named Mr. Barkley, but Penny was too busy for him. Mr. Barkley wanted to get Penny Lee to notice him, but it was no use. One morning when Penny Lee woke, she knew something was wrong. The TV was cold and dark. "Help, Mr. Barkley! I'm missing my morning shows!" Mr. Barkley thought for a second and decided this was his big chance. "Well," Penny Lee said, "is it serious? You've got to help me, Mr. Barkley." In a flash, the three of them were out the door. They came to the top of a steep hill and they started down. The TV began to fall. When they got to the bottom, they played hide and seek. Mr. Barkley had no trouble finding Penny Lee. They went to the library and read books to each other. Penny Lee was exhausted. But will they get to the repair shop in time? To find out, check this book out at the Hoover Library.